bamboo wood with the, here in this example here, it is acacia wood here, acacia wood that is glued together on this side and on this side, firstly. And when it is glued, the bamboo is still maybe 10 millimeters thick, so that it is more easy to glue it, to glue these parts together. Then the next step is to glue the horn to the bamboo, here on this side and on this side. And the horn, the two parts of horn, they meet each other in the center of the grip. In principle, the kakung, the Korean hornbow, is made absolutely symmetric. That means both sides have similar shape and similar length, similar sizes. So what comes next? Well, then when the horn is glued to the bamboo on both sides, this happens in one day only. So I was just told in the morning one part of horn is glued. In the afternoon the second part of horn is glued, and in the evening they are gluing this piece of wood here to the grip. And this piece of wood, that is oak tree. And this is then for gluing the oak tree to the bamboo. First of all, the bamboo must be, the thickness of the bamboo must be reduced here to about 2.5 to 3 millimeters here. And this has to be done before the horn, the reduction of the thickness of the bamboo has to be done before the horn is glued to the bamboo. So that they can make it in almost one step, gluing the horn strips to the bamboo and gluing the piece of oak wood here to the grip. And then, of course, when it needs some time, about 4 weeks for drying, around about 4 weeks for drying, for drying the glue connection, and then that's what we see this evening. This kind of work is starting. That means the thickness of the bamboo and of the acacia wood has to be reduced to the correct size for gluing the sinew to the wood, and also the shape of this piece of oak wood here must be corrected so that there is a smooth transition. A smooth transition from the oak wood to the bamboo here, and for that, first of all, he is using this special axe here, and of course also files. And interesting is this file is made by the bowyer himself. He cannot buy it in the shop. And also for the correct measurements, he is using this scale here. It's just a bamboo strip with two different sizes on this side and on this side. So, and with this he can measure the correct width of the bow. So for the short side is used for this part end of the grip. The long size is for the yes. No, it's for the open. Hanogum. For hanogum, that is the thickest part of the bow. That is where the bow, where the bending radius of the kakung at full draw is on its maximum. So this part here is the most active part of the kakung. And then another measurement at the end of some E, or again with a short scale here. And that is what he is showing us today. when he has finished to smooth the horn, then finally he is using the files here for getting the right surface for putting the glue on the bamboo and on the wood. That's all.